Alright guys, got something new, just came. I'm assuming this knife needs to be sharpened. Assuming this is what I ordered, or what I'm describing. Going through a phase, really hard guys. Really hard on the shear. Not everyone's into it. I kind of like how the pictures look, kind of making my own style. So hitting the shear phase hard, so I got a bodysuit. So crack it open. Black. Kind of a tank top, sleeveless. The neck is a little bit weird, but let's see here. It's got snaps. Looks pretty big. Pretty long. And how tall it is. So it's sheer, but the fabric is fairly stretchy and dense. It's see-through. That tease, you know, guys, the big tease, being able to see through. What am I looking at? Oh, he is not wearing anything underneath. Snaps are okay, but not always fun. So that is the look. You may be asking, where would you ever wear this? Not likely anywhere outdoors, but for a photo shoot indoors, definitely would be a fun look. Outdoors, I kind of like to get these wet at times. It's kind of a fun thing. So this is more like a prop, a costume, maybe a sexy thing for someone, but it's more about the photos and content. And so that's why I can pair this with other items that I have, but probably enough talking. Let's give it a try on.